Sending a PDF through Gmail is a very simple process, and we are going to get it done right now. The first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail account on your computer or mobile device. Before you do anything else, make sure you have your PDF file saved in a folder where you can easily find it, like your desktop or your downloads folder. Once you are looking at your Gmail inbox, move your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on the large button that says Compose. This will immediately open up a new message window in the bottom right corner of your screen. In the To line, type in the exact email address of the person you want to send the file to. Right below that, click on the subject line and type a short description so the receiver knows what the email is about. After that, click into the main body section below the subject line and type out your message. Now, to actually attach your PDF document, look down at the very bottom of that message window. You will see a small row of icons right next to the blue Send button. Look for the icon that looks exactly like a paperclip. This is the Attach Files button. Click on that paperclip icon and a file browser window will pop up on your screen. Use this window to navigate to the exact folder where you saved your PDF earlier. Click on the PDF file once to highlight it, and then click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the file browser window. You will now see a small progress bar at the bottom of your email showing that the file is uploading. The important thing is to wait a few seconds until the text turns blue, which means the upload is completely finished. If you decide you attached the wrong file, you can just click the small X on the right side of the file name to remove it and try again. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and click the blue Send button. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next one.